Fix Snapchat C14a service unavailable. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you check on the connection, you can also switch to cellular data if it's possible. Next, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of Snapchat application. So just search for Snapchat on the search bar. And as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Snapchat application. So we can just go back and then make a long press on Snapchat, then tap on app info, and after that tap on the manage space option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can delete all the app data if it's possible. If not, you can just clear the cache. And as you do that, if this does not solve the issue, you can just tap on uninstall the application and then reinstall it, and this might also help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.